All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Thank you all. Taos Academy, you all rock. You guys are awesome. You're the future. We're doing this for you. You guys representing. This is going to be going out on news media all over the world because of the war situation all over. What's going on in the world, the global emergency, and you guys are the young generation. You're standing up. So thank you to you, and then Tisa and Enos Garcia also going to be joining along the way. So we're thankful to the Sheriff's Department and to First Nations people, Taos Pueblo, letting us do this. And then our spiritual leaders, Reverend Yamato, Bo Richards, Stephen Romero, and singers, Marie, Sunbird, and all the supporters, everybody here. Support vehicles, thank you. Harmon Filming. So we just want to offer some quick words from our elders. This is Reverend Yamato. First, we'll start with Stephen Romero, Taos Pueblo representative, and then Yamato, who started the Global Peace Walk. This is the 32nd year. They started in 95, walk from New York to San Francisco. In 2000, San Francisco to New York, and then the annual Santa Fe Taos Walk's been happening since that first year in 95. And then also Bo Richards, Lakota Nation, one of our spiritual leaders. So we'll just quick and then we'll get on the road. Thank you. So first, Stephen, First Nations. Go ahead.
Creator, I ask you for protection for us to keep us safe this morning. It's so beautiful to have the younger generation here. Let them be able to have the strength and the power to keep this on for over the years and more, and let this grow to be a bigger event like how it is today. Give us strength and healing that we need. Help us to make a change, that Mother Earth will feel the ripple, that she'll feel all the positive energy that we have. Help us to uplift everyone that's here, that we change their minds and their energy. The good energies will come here for each and every one of us and for my homeland. Protect the elements, protect the animals, the herbs, the medicines that we use. Thank you for each and every one of us, Creator, for being here. Give us strength and healing and protect us and our family and the elders and the women and the babies. Everyone out there that's going through a hard time, Creator, uplift them, give them strength. We walk today to give good energy to Mother Earth, to all those that can't be here to walk, Creator. Give them strength, help them. Protect my beautiful homeland, Creator. It's so beautiful how it is. Help us to keep it protected and strong.
Yamato, good prayer.
Living a globe, oh my friend, oh our friend. This globe is our house and altar. People's prayer, couple step, global peace. All living being is a global vehicle. Usually everybody same boat. Little bit pray for couple step, offering a prayer, reach the other side of the world, to change consciousness, to develop this globe is the one. This is our house and altar. Thank you, all my friend. Living globe, bring back global peace. Couple step, offering change the universe. Thank you, all future generation once again coming for born of universe. The prayer, global vehicle is the one. Please bring a miracle, all my relation, the wonderful blessing and the beautiful relationship to all over the world. Thank you, oh my friend. Global peace. Pray for the global peace. This vehicle, global vehicle. Thank you, all my relation.
Bo Richards.
My name is Bo. I'm from Pine Ridge, South Dakota. Welcome all of you. I just want to say I'm grateful today that the Creator gave us this opportunity to do this. gave us the tools, whatever we needed to do, and Mike, all the work it took to put this together. Global peace, you know, it's kind of sounds like a big deal. Like, how is that possible? How are we going to do that? And maybe it's not possible. Maybe it's not. But global peace can start in our homes with these young people, with you guys. It can start in our homes, and then move to our villages, and then move to our towns and our cities, and then eventually maybe to our political system. That's where the problem is. So as this young generation, you guys are here to support this. Remember that global peace, you know, it might sound overwhelming, but it's not. We can do it. But we got to come together. That's two-legged. Not white people, not red people, black people, two-legged human beings. So I hope that this opportunity and all of this people coming together, that we acknowledge that. Without relationships with one another, without the mitako yasi, we all related, we don't have anything. And today it's more important than ever to come together as one. Wahunu pakile wanjialo, one two-legged. Not white, black, no color, no man, no female, one two-legged. Go ahead. That's all it is.
Oh. Thank you all. So we're gonna have the drum group in the front, and he's gonna be the first walker because he has the eagle staff, and then we're all gonna be behind him. And if we can try to not be too spaced out, but stay as a tight group. But we have thank you to the sheriff's department. You guys rock. Look at it. Represent hardcore. So we're safe, and we're gonna do this, and then we'll be meeting a bunch of kids, students from TISA over near Albertsons, and then we'll double in size. And so let's do this. Thank you all. All right. So you're gonna have to be right behind me.